Alright, so what we just talked about is that you guys said instead of using this formula, we should use the one I'm writing up now, 2 cosine squared x minus 1. The reason is you could not then have to do all this work that you just did. Okay? If you're given cosine, you might as well just use the one with cosine in it. So that's what we're going to do. So we are going to say 2, and then cosine squared is negative 5 over 13 squared minus 1. So you get 2 times 25 divided by 169 minus 1. And that gives us 50 over 169 minus, we need to use a common denominator, so 169 over 169, which would give us negative 119 over 169. Is that correct? Yes. So, we're going to plug that into our equation. So up here we have 1 minus negative 119 over 69 divided by 2. And that gives us 169 over 169 plus 119 over 169 divided by 2. So that would be 388 over 169 divided by 2. And when you divide by 2, it's like multiplying by 1/2. So we're going to say times 1/2. And that would reduce this. 2 goes into 388. $194. So you get 194 over 169. So that's for sine squared. I'm going to write cosine squared down here so that we have a little room to work with. So, now the nice thing about this is the sign. What's different is the signs are different. So instead of 169 over 169, it was a negative times a negative, so we got a plus. It's just going to be a different sign here, so it's going to be a minus. So 169 over 169, and it should be plus negative 119 over 169 divided by 2. So that's going to give us 50 over 169 divided by 2, which is the same as 50 over 169 times 1/2. 2 goes into 50 25 times, so that gives us 25 over 169 for cosine squared. And then, like I told you guys before, tangent squared, the easiest thing for tangent is always going to be sine over cosine. So tangent squared x is sine squared x over cosine squared x. So I use the problems that I got, 194 over 169 divided by 25 over 169. The denominators should always be the same, so the denominators will always cancel, and you'll get 194 over 25.